So if you are an iPhone user and if you want to know how to lock application in iPhone, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now currently, let me open few applications and show you that the application is not locked. If I open photos, I can access it. If I open WhatsApp, I can access it, right? Now, in order to set lock or in order to lock application, all you have to do is just simply tap and hold on the application like this and select the option of require face ID, or else if you're using an iPhone which has touch ID, then select require touch ID option. Tap on that and again you will get a pop-up screen like this. This time it is giving few options like require face ID and the next option is hide and require face ID. Now what does it mean? If you select require face ID, then it will only lock that particular application. But apart from lock, if you also want to hide that application, then you have to select the second option, which is hide and require face ID. So it will also hide the application and it will also set a lock to it. But in this situation, I want to just set a lock to it. So I'm going to select require face ID and just scan your face and it is done. Now, if I open WhatsApp, you can see face ID required to open WhatsApp. So if I scan my face like this, I can access WhatsApp. Similarly, do the same thing for other applications. So if I go and select Photos application for now, I'll get an option of require face ID. Select that. Now you can see there is no hide option for Photos application. It is only giving me an option of require face ID. So I can only set a lock to it. If I select that, scan the face and done. Now if I open Photos application, it will ask me for face ID. Now there is one more thing you need to keep in mind, that is this particular feature of setting a lock to application is available with iOS 18 and above. So if you are on a iOS version which is older, you won't be getting this feature. You have to use screen time settings in order to set a lock to your application. Also, one more thing. Now currently you can see if I tap and hold on camera application, I'm not getting any option of face ID. So almost every third-party application can be locked using this feature, but few applications which are from Apple, it won't allow to set a lock to it. Again, shortcut application is from Apple. You can see there is no option to set a lock to it. So yeah, there are few applications from Apple which cannot be locked, but every third-party application or mostly each and every third-party application can be locked. So yeah, this is how simple it is to lock application in iPhone. Now, if in case you want to remove the lock, then all you have to do is just tap and hold it and select don't require face ID. Again, scan your face and it's done. This time I can open the application directly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.